Well, hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening banana toys. You'll probably see me open these in another video, and they're very cool. And descriptions, let's take the first one. Ooh, it's a little. Ouch! Gotta get big luck. Good luck. Okay. I need scissors. Help me. Probably for another banana though. But this banana, I got handle of it. Thank you. Now let's open the banana. Have you never? You all look at me. It has two peels that you can peel out. Let's open the toy first. I think I got the blue one before. No, I did not. And he is my friend. And we got a sticker. And let's open the other blind bag now. Let's open the ones with the cool. The ones that are very cool, the small bag. Like the small bag, you might think it's plain. Super, super duper plain. But it's not. It's very cool. See? Got a little bug. And a leather bug. And gem stickers. What about that? I already opened a lot of these, so what? One of these gem stickers jumped away because he didn't want to stay. That's a rhyme, right? Look at me. This is my gem stickers. These are my gem stickers. They are very sparkly. And now let's open the plainest one, which is the biggest one. Because I don't like plain things. You know that. What's that song?
I don't know. Randomly pick some music.
I don't think it's like this. I think it's supposed to be like this. You can hang it here. It doesn't work. Maybe you can hang it here. Yeah. Here. Right here. Yeah, that's probably the first banana. Now let's put it back. First, put the flyer And then put the little penguin, I think. And put the little donut and the bug. And the other bug with no donut. The sticker. The leaf. The gem stickers. And the long yellow thingy, which helped me hold the leaf. It does a lot of help, but it's plain. I can just make it as a fingerling. That's all for this banana.